So here we are in Warminster, and we're going to try this subway. Now there is a slight problem in the fact that we cannot get into Subway because there is a big step. However, last time they sort of came out and did it on the doorstep. Now I don't know if they're going to do the same again, but there's nobody looking. Not sure if they can see me. Nobody looking. Of course, they haven't got a ramp either. Well, there's no ramp, so I was trying to get somebody's attention.
Okay.
Because there's no ramp to go in there, and it's a bloody heavy door as well. It's a really heavy door. Yeah, thanks. Sorry, in your way.
No, it's all right.
And they're not even looking anyway. So. Thank you for that.
Sorry?
Thank you very much for that.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah. You haven't got a ramp, so I can't come in.
I know, I remember last time
Yeah,
I took your order and did
That was a
so.
few weeks ago, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Can you order again?
yeah.
I've got the Subway app, yeah.
Okay.
So basically I want a 6-inch Italian oat with chicken tikka.
Honey and oat.
Yeah, honey and
Honey
oat, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
Honey and oat. Chicken tikka,
Sure.
everything on. Sweet onion,
Sweet onion?
yeah.
Right, okay.
I'll have the macadamia cookie, and I'll go for a what's it called?
What, drink?
Yeah, in a bottle. No,
Coke?
not Coke.
Oasis? Fanta?
More.
Uh,
The red. It's like a red bottle. Red. Oh my God.
Sweet twist?
Nope.
Dr. Pepper?
Dr. Pepper. We got there in the end.
So you want 6-inch chicken tikka?
Yeah.
Cheese?
Yeah. Cheese, toasted,
salad.
everything. Yeah. Let me just.
And then when I'm on the till,
Yeah.
I'll come and
Yeah.
get it
Okay.
all.
All right. So we have to.
I forgot if you said toasted. You said toasted?
Yeah, toasted. Yeah, please.
that?
Yep.
You want to take that as well?
Ah, here we go. So that's
There you go, mate.
good.
Throw an extra cookie in there for you.
Oh, cheers, mate. Oh, that's very kind.
Alright.
Yep. Hang on.
Good
Let
to
me
know
just
one change that.
put that
I'll
on
get
there.
as well.
Lovely. Thank you very much. And my phone, yeah. My heavy phone.
No, it's pretty heavy, that.
Nice phone though, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's like very rare, but it's got some really good, it's got like 500k memory. It's got, it can be. Thank you anyway. Cheers. So that was nearly nearly £8. How much was it? Oh, £7.71. So it was a £1 off that I redeemed for points. 5.39, 2.60, and I had the bottle now in the tub, so the bottle was dearer. Right, I am back home. Finally, got me Subway. This is obviously Warminster. I've got me. I bought the Dr. Pepper today because can't really bring the cup back on the in the car, so I decided to do that bottle instead because obviously it's slightly dearer, but obviously I can carry it in the car. So he said he gave me an extra cookie, and he did. So I got 2 cookies. And Subway, this is the chicken tikka, my usual, and of course with everything on, and of course I forgot to mention no jalapeno, but I presume we put that on there, I'm not sure. It looks okay, it looks quite nice, it looks like it's all held together. It's actually quite packed quite well, layered as it were. Because normally when they put them in, they sort of shove them in there, and he has actually done a good job layering it. No, it's like cucumber, tomato, pickle or something like that. Anyway, we're going to have a little try and see if I can eat it. Definitely got jalapeno in there. And the actual roll is held together quite well. I mean, considering it's been about, what, 20-25 minutes since I got it from the shop, normally they fall apart, especially if they've been toasted. But this one looks like it's held together quite well. Pretty good. Oh, bugger. Oh, shit. That wasn't a pickle. That was not a pickle. Oh my God. My mouth is burning. Oh shit. So I have to say, it's going to be a very low score for accessibility. Probably a 1 or a 0. I mean, I'll give him 1, because at least he did come out and serve me, even though it's on the doorstep. it's a jalapeno. No, no, it's a pickle. I have to say the scooter bracket amendment, version 95, I think, worked out quite well. It's got a bit of a stiffness to the quick release bar. You have to unlock it with that, but it's really stiff. I might try the other part of it, what comes with it, and see if that makes any difference. But you know, I mean, I may need to put some oil, which I don't really want to do that, but I may need to make it a bit looser. Don't know how many jalapenos you put on, but every bloody mouthful. I'm not gonna blame him for that, because I normally say no jalapeno. So I'm not gonna penalise for that. To be fair, that was my second visit. First visit I didn't have a camera, and I thought I would go back, but whether I go back again for a third time, it's probably not going to happen. As we get down to the end of the sub, it all starts falling apart. Pretty good, very enjoyable. Much like any other, you know. Food is good. Let's try one of these cookies. And then we'll give it the final score. So the cookies are, it's two of them because I got a free cookie. I think they cooked them in house because they didn't buy them in like that. I'm sure they just shoved them in the oven. Right, so very enjoyable. The only drawback obviously is accessibility. You just cannot get in the building. So that's a pity really, because they could buy a ramp for what, 50 quid and it would make it perfect. Because I'm sure it's not just me in Warminster who wants to go and eat a Subway. So come on, get your finger out, buy yourself a ramp. That's it from me, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget thumbs up, like and share.